Before we start, because it's an interesting topic about empowerment of SMEs by financial institutions and bank. Before I start upon this and throw some light on this, I would like to introduce Yes Bank first. I don't know how many of you are aware of Yes Bank or dealt with Yes Bank. We are a primarily pretty young bank, so to say. We are a 6-year-old bank, okay, and one of the very few banks in India which have got a greenfield license to start a bank by RBI. Okay, so it was started by professionals, and today in a short span of 6 years, we have become the 4th largest private bank in India. Okay, and we today have a balance sheet size of close to around 60,000 crore. Okay, and we have been growing. We have started in a phase where economy went through one of its greatest recessions globally, but still we have managed to grow at such a pace of giving around 35% growth quarter on quarter. So we take a lot of pride in probably this achievement of ours, and as now the economy is all slated to grow and go into the next phase, we are all slated to go for that as well. Now, when I'm talking about this, about the economy or probably the global and Indian economy as well, we totally acknowledge that if our country has to go to the next level, it is entrepreneurship by the SMEs which have to grow. Okay, and SMEs, a lot of people keep on telling this, and we have been hearing it in most of the forums, that SMEs have to be the backbone of the next phase of growth in India and all, and we as a bankers have truly believed in that as well. When we started our product suite of SME bankings, we did a lot of research in it, and we thought that this SME sector basically have been one of the most underserviced sector in India. Okay, because traditionally banks have this habit of going in for large corporates and funding them. As it is said, getting your first loan is the most difficult part, and once you get your first loan and keep the ball rolling, everyone will chase. Okay, so what we observed is it is not only financing or arranging for finance which is one of the most difficult thing for an SME, or where the SME faces challenge. It is also about the financial expertise, because a lot of these small startup companies like small SMEs will not have financial expertise in terms of proper people guiding them. Okay, they'll have a set of chartered accountants or small time auditors which will guide them. Please go get this, get that. And in that regard, what Mr. Senthil did currently was a really informative segment, because what happens is people end up falling into wrong products and then eventually raising their finance cost and not getting to know about the right banking financial suits. And this is a major problem faced by most of the SMEs, I'll say. And today also, if you look historically, the SMEs which have actually managed their financial expertise and financial needs well have actually gone up to the next level of become large size companies today. So once we started this unit, we thought is we don't